It's a Carbinox Christmas, everybody. Whether you're looking to pick up the LUX, the TITAN, or the SPACECRAFTER, we've got you covered with a brand new holiday special. Go Carbinox.com. Use that particular link. Pop in the coupon code TICKS. You'll get 20% off everything. And that's good for the whole holiday season. But you got to combine them. Go Carbinox.com. TICKS at checkout. 20% off. Want to learn a little bit more about them? Here you go. The Carbinox LUX. You got a black and an army edition of this one. A 1.69-inch TFT screen on a hardened watch with 3 ATM waterproofing. This is the Carbinox LUX. It's a beautiful, hardened, waterproof to 3 atmospheres smartwatch. All kinds of controls in here, including a theater mode to extend your battery life and dim the screen down, all the way up to a full flashlight that'll light up anything around you. Great for nighttime viewing while you're in the dark. You also have notifications sent from your phone that you can set up to tether over here. You've got your step count information combined with your distance traveled, calories burned, when you took your steps throughout the day. You've got last night's sleep time, total or broken down in different nights, all the way for the past 7 days of sleep activity. When you tap here, you get into measuring your heart rate. No need to touch anything. It starts up automatically using diodes in the back. It'll read your heart rate directly into the machine, and it will give you information about your maximum, minimum, where you currently are if you're working out. And look at this, a continuous 24-hour heart rate chart that repeats every day. Amazing. You got exercise information. Your last exercise is here. You come in here and you can select between all kinds of exercises: training, rowing, trail runs, bowling, dumbbell sit-ups. You've got swimming in this. You've got, of course, walking and running and your basic activities tracked right here on your watch and transferable to your phone. You've got blood pressure and systolic, diastolic readings, again measured from your arm. You have to stay real still to get good measurements on that one. It shows you your last 7 readings in here as well. And it will do, there you go, it will do your blood oxygen reading too, which is really important these days. We've been monitoring that a lot through the pandemic. Gives you a reading usually between 95 and 100%, show you your normal range, your maximum, your minimum, and of course, your last 7 readings are here as well, and that's the current reading. I got weather. Any city you want in centigrade or Fahrenheit, including a forecast. Imagine that on this hardened watch. A shutter, you touch that button and the camera will light up on your screen and you can take a picture from your camera. You won't see the image on the watch, but you'll have the button to activate it. And you can set up a music player where you can control the music on your phone. So if you're working out, you want to skip to the next song or play or pause, you can do that here as well. You got lots of different watch faces. This is a custom face on here actually, and it's got several built-in faces as well. It's a really nice, solidly built, rubberized band on this one. You've got a thin design, 2 buttons, and really, really well built. The Titan of them all, the Carbinox TITAN. Check it out, 1.72-inch large screen, 5 tons of truck crushing capability, and a full 5 ATM waterproofing. By now, on social media, you've probably seen this amazing smartwatch. From Carbinox, it's the TITAN, and it is really, really hardened, waterproof, weatherproof, you name it. You got pull-down controls here, brightness, theater mode, settings, power savings. You even have weather pushed to you from your area or any area you set in the app. You can have notifications sent to you from your phone and a little pull-out tab that shows you the basic stuff you need, including the most recent apps. Speaking of which, we could show you access to step count, with a chart showing you your daily steps hour by hour, last night's sleep time, and a chart and a summary on that. You have heart rate, continuous, represented on the watch, along with exercises from walking, running, and cycling to about 20 different other ones. Swimming, 5-atmosphere waterproof watch, gang. Yoga, workouts. Uh-oh, got something going there. We've also got blood pressure reading with this watch. Again, weather in your area with forecasts. We've got a remote shutter that will put this in picture mode and you can take pictures with it. Blood oxygen that is actually using red diode technology to acquire that information. And a remote music player that you can play music on your phone. You have access to a variety of different watch faces, from simple ones that rotate like that to press and hold and get into all kinds of different faces. Digital, analog, you name it. You have access again to everything. Simply by pushing the lower button, they show up in icons. You can even do a breathe in, breathe out exercise routine. You've got timers, countdown timers, all kinds of activity. The watch itself is, of course, hardened to incredible standards. It's a bright screen, easily viewable outdoors. It has a TPU band that's sweet and flexible and easy to wear. Looking for that round watch feel? The Carbinox SPACECRAFTER. It's a 1.32-inch, beautiful, hardened, round watch. This is the Carbinox SPACECRAFTER Hardened Smartwatch. Beautiful, elegant design, lots of different controls you have here, access to a variety of different apps and a variety of different ways of presenting them to you. You've got step count, and all the things that go with it, calories burned, distance traveled, and the steps per hour for each day, and a comparison with previous days. You've got last night's sleep time, total, light, deep, and a chart that shows you what it looks like, and again, comparisons to your past previous night's sleep. You've got totals of your activities and instant access to all the different exercises. So there's over 20 of them in here, including swimming and rowing. This is a waterproof watch after all. You also have heart rate. When it's here, it's live. When you go in here, it's also live, and it'll show you your continuous 24-hour heart rate for the day and start over at midnight. You've got the blood pressure readings that you can do, and the last 7 are shown on the screen, and blood oxygen, of course. You can read that and see your summary of previous activity as well. Weather in your area is pushed, and all of the forecast information. In the app, you can set whatever city you want for that forecast to happen. A remote shutter that'll take pictures from the phone using your watch as a trigger. And a remote music player that'll play music on your phone that you can control here. Last thing is a breathing exercise that you can inhale and exhale and calm yourself down if you want to. All of that is available directly from the watch. When you swipe up, notifications sent from your phone. It's a really elegant watch, lots of different watch bands available. 3 buttons, up and down, and then this center one that takes you back home. You've got all the different sensors in here and magnetic coupled charging. Did you pick out your favorite, huh? You know which one you want for Christmas now, right? Alrighty, then you know how to go about getting it. Go Carbinox.com. Put ticks in the coupon code area when you check off. You get a whopping 20% off of everything you buy. Really solid, ruggedized watches. Very impressed with how these things work. I think you'll really enjoy them. Take care. We'll see you again soon.